Day 5, remember this, that discernment means owning your decision. It doesn't mean just making a decision, but it means owning your decision. So, welcome to the idea of having outside resources and confidants, and to also continue to support yourself when you're having discomfort about something, and that you're owning, like, that is true for me. That discomfort is true for me. I know that. And having people that know you so well that they will be able to give you neutrality and listen to all of the places that you might contradict yourself, or you might have varying answers to the decisions and questions you're asking yourself, almost like contradictory answers. So, the important thing about this is that when we have trusted resources and sources and we ask them sort of the same questions, or we tell them some of the places where we're struggling, I want you to check in when you're listening to them and really listen to them instead of have a back and forth defending yourself conversation. Really listen to them, because the exercise is really listening to them and seeing how what they say lands in your body, whether that feels true for you, it feels like something doesn't feel right about what they're saying. So sometimes we use our outside sources as a mirror to the kind of reactions that we might have about what they're saying. And this is us almost hearing ourselves back and then have a response that, oh, that's not really true. Oh, yeah, yeah, I've been saying that pretty consistently. So that must be my truth, because I don't have an extreme somatic reaction when I hear them saying that to me. So remember, we're looking at our resources and our sources, trusted sources, as a way to mirror what's going on with us and what we hear them telling us that we're saying to them. And this is really a great internal process. So see if you can touch base with how you're doing that throughout the day when you're struggling with a decision or you're confused.